Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to insert a Pine script to Tradingview. First open Tradingview in your web browser and log into your account. After logging in, open any chart. You can choose any market or time frame. Once the chart is open, focus on the right side of the screen. On the right side menu, you will see an option called Pine Editor or Pine. Click on that option to open the Pine Editor panel. Now you need to create or paste your script. Inside the Pine Editor, click on New. From the drop-down menu, select Blank Indicator Script or Strategy depending on what type of script you are using. When the new script opens, you will see some default code already written there. Select all of that code and delete it so you have a clean and empty editor. Next, take the Pine script code that you copied earlier. Click inside the editor and paste your code. Make sure the full script is pasted correctly and that nothing is missing. Check quickly for any obvious errors or formatting issues. After pasting the code, click the Save button at the top of the Pine editor. Once the script is saved, click Add to Chart. Tradingview will compile the code. If there are no errors, the script will automatically appear on your chart. Depending on the script type, it may display directly on the price chart or in a new pane below the chart. Thanks for watching.